I've done my.
Acha, you have given post-graduation. At that
Hmm.
time, you wrote the test also. So this
Sir.
test will be more or less similar to that.
Sir, I clear all the written exam, then psychometric test, then GD, and then all things. But interview, I don't think what happened. I didn't clear the interview.
Maybe you would not have answered the questions properly
Sir,
because
two questions I've answered. The first question they asked me, ki, have you visited Federal Bank website? I said yes, sir. Then they said, ki, what the most interesting you find there? So I said, इसमें थोड़ा सा I was like, I have not given their what they want from me. They were
correct.
asking for FEDI, and I
Hmm.
didn't tell that. Or the second question they asked me is, uh, what is the share price of Federal Bank?
That also you could not
Hmm.
answer.
I could not answer exactly. I guessed it, but might not be I am wrong. Might be I am wrong.
What is the price you said? 100 and?
I said sir, somewhere 100 to 110 range.
Oh,
I have given a range.
oh, but range, then I say it shows you are not sure about it. You are not
Hmm.
prepared about it. Instead,
Yes, sir.
even if you had given 103, they would have
Hmm.
accepted it because you are more or less sure about this. But if you had simply said about 100, that also would have been received well. In interviews, we should answer appropriately. We can't use vague words and all. Yeah,
So now I am audible, sir.
yeah, audible. Yeah. Sabarish, are you ready?
Yes, I'm also joined for federal, sir.
Pardon, you are also for Federal Bank, na?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Who
So I have
decides
one doubt, sir.
now? Yes, please tell me.
So what is the difference between the merger and amalgamation, sir?
Merger and amalgamation.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't
May
know.
I answer it because I knew it?
Acha, very good. Please tell.
The merger is something in which A company takes the shares of B company and they become merger and amalgamation. They become A company. Means A company is taking the all assets and liabilities of A B company, and from after taking all this desires, they will become A company. And merger is A company is taking B company, and from there they become A plus A and B company. In the case of merger, the existence of the subsidiary goes, and in the case of this amalgamation, they both exist, but in the same name.
Okay.
Not clear.
Like,
Not
yeah.
clear. Not
Sir,
clear.
you
I
are in
think.
Indian bank, right, sir?
Yeah, I was in Indian Bank.
Sir,
Yeah.
Allahabad Bank is merged or amalgamated with the Indian bank, sir. I was studied
But
this in the
I
banking
seem,
awareness. They
sir,
have
my answers
confused
were
me.
not clear.
It is not that very clear. Doesn't matter. No, I am not blaming you
Uh,
because I don't know. Maybe I didn't
They
concentrate.
had answered like Indian bank is amalgamated with sorry, Allahabad is amalgamated with the Indian bank,
Hmm.
but they
Acha,
are give the explanation like amalgamation is the combining of the two or three companies, one or more companies in a different entity name.
no, I am showing you. Shruti, you see what you said is same or different.
yes.
What is the difference between amalgamation and merger? This is what you asked, na, Sabrish?
Ah, yes, sir.
Amalgamation of companies is the process of combining or merging more than two companies to form a new company. It, however, does not apply to every merger. On the contrary, a merger is the combination of two or more business entities to form a single joint entity.
So this is what I'm saying.
And here, Indian Bank, what did they say? It is amalgamated.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what probably they say. Indian Bank and Allahabad Bank, they amalgamated to form a new company. Whereas merger means what happened? A merger is a combination of two or more business entities to form a single joint entity. Joint entity. Here it is a unique entity. Now Indian Bank name only is there. But of course,
In small letters, there will be Allahabad will be given in bracket.
that is also given in this one. But 1 minute, let us see Indian Bank website, what it says. What it is telling. Indian Bank. See on top, you see only Indian Bank. Oh, Allahabad Bank. Allahabad also is given. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this, I think, if we go by the definition they have given, I think we should go with the answer. It, however, does not apply. On the contrary, a merger is the combination of two or more businesses form a single joint entity.
Okay, sir.
But here, amalgamation to form two companies to form a new company. So probably they call this a new company, Indian Bank and Allahabad Bank put together. Similarly,
Okay.
Bank of Baroda has taken two more, Dena Bank and one more bank also.
Vijaya Bank.
Vijaya Bank. So they formed into one. Oh, good
Okay.
question. Good question you asked. See, what is the difference between merger and amalgamation under the Companies Act? Please read this, Sabrish.
Merger where assets and liabilities of one company are transferred to another, and the first company loses its existence.
Loses its
Amalgamation
loses its existence.
loses its existence. Amalgamation where two or more companies merges into a third new company, and the existing company loses its existence.
Oh, that means now they say this is what has happened in the case of Indian Bank. Now
I
it
understood, sir. I
is
understood.
no longer Indian Bank. It is Indian Bank and Allahabad Bank put together.
I understood it, sir.
Yeah.
Recently, now HDFC and HDFC Bank is merged, where it now exists in the HDFC Bank.
Yeah.
HDFC shares and like
HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank merged to form HDFC Bank.
Yeah, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Now it is going to happen IDFC and IDFC First Bank.
Not only that, the Geo also, they are doing some mergers. Geo Finance and Reliance Company, they are doing some mergers, as a result of which there are some share prices being lost and all. Some report has come in newspaper.
Reliance, right? Reliance didn't like firing, but these two mergers, like Tata Steel and Tata Metallic and IDFC and IDFC First Bank, these two mergers are like most firing.
Geo is now merging. There, I will tell you. I'll show you that some report has come in the newspaper. Economic Times. Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Byju's lenders agreed to alter terms of 1.2 billion loan. So, you know, Byju's is an education company. They had borrowed heavy monies and there was some pressure on them to repay. That they have, the lenders have agreed to alter the terms so that Fate of Tata's UK Steel hinges on government support. Bain to buy Adani's NBFC for rupees 1,500 crore. CEO to stay on. See, there is an American company known as Bain. They are buying this Adani non-banking finance company. Then limited immunity waiver to Indian diplomats in United Kingdom as London police probes Khalistani attack on mission. 2 Chinese held in Bihar for crossing border via Nepal. Freedom fighter's widow was burnt alive in Manipur village, it says FIR. Tech companies say no to more laws. Statutory body regulate artificial intelligence. Electronics exports grew by 56%. Paytm parent targeting free cash flow by year end, says Sharma. Foreign assets a tricky terrain in ITR. Then high demand dip input costs may lift ultra tech margins. Then market view of rates and assets prices disconnected. Domestic banks lure techies from top tech companies. SEBI's new ESG regulations pose challenge for top firms. United Spirits brands to cost more in Karnataka. Videocon fails to renew bank guarantees, seeks time. Startups to get airfare support for export promotion. Toyota Kirloskar economy India seeks work demand and NREGS down a tad in June quarter, using social media to help taxpayers. IT slums, but no need to get glum. Middle takes center stage, expressing truth. But I want to see what is the... There is one merger of Geo Finance Management, present position. Geo Financial Services, they are... see, actually what happened, Geo Financial Services were not listed. Now they say Geo Financial will soon be listing soon, according to latest reports coming from financial services sector. Indian multinational conglomerate Reliance Industries, this is the point I said, has decided to enter into financial services business with an entity.
Federal also announced one like listing, sir. Federal Financial Services.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Good. Now let me ask some questions. Let us see. Sabarish, please answer. 1 rupee note bears the signature of whom?
1 rupee note.
1 rupee note bears the signature of whom? Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Prime Minister of India, President of India, Secretary, Ministry of Finance, none of the above.
I think Finance Secretary, sir.
Correct. Very good. Now, Shruti, please answer. What is the meaning of mortgage? Shruti, are you?
Mortgage.
Yeah,
Mortgage.
I am reading out. Choose the choice that is good. Security on movable property for a loan given by a bank. Security on immovable property for a loan given by a bank. Concession on immovable property for a loan given by a bank. Facility on immovable property for a loan given by a bank. Security on immovable property for a deposit received by bank.
Sir, security on movable properties given by the bank. Deposit given by the bank.
Wrong.
Sir, first or second options, can you please repeat? Answer is from them only.
Security on movable property for a loan given by a bank. Security on immovable property for a loan given by a bank.
The first
Concession.
one is movable and the second one is immovable.
Yeah,
The movable, first one.
wrong.
Sir, actually,
Movable means hypothecation or pledge. Immovable property is what is given as mortgage.
Hmm.
Shruti, could you follow?
So I didn't get what point. What you're saying?
See, movable properties are always
Hmm.
either pledged or
Hmm.
hypothecated. Say, in the
Okay.
case of movable property, like
Hmm.
gold jewels, they are pledged to the bank when borrowers take loan from the bank.
Okay.
They pledge to the bank. Pawn karte, PAWN. Tamil mein, we call it pledge என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அதாவது அடமானம் அடமானம் அதாவது
Adagoi.
तो प्लेज
हाँ,
के लिए फिर कोई सर्टिफिकेट या कुछ देते होंगे ना उनको?
नहीं, प्लेज के
हाँ
लिए क्या होगा,
हाँ।
आप बैंक में से लोन लेते हैं, देन
हम्म।
आपने क्या करेगा, अपना ज्वेल को वैल्यूएशन करेगा, उसका बाद में आपको ज्वेल को बैंक को पास दे देगा। बैंक ने
हाँ।
एक रसीद देगा जिसका
हम्म।
बारे में वो डिटेल्स दिया होगा। वी हैव रिसीव्ड थ्री थ्री पाउंड gold or
चल।
three
हाँ।
three sovereigns gold chain as
हम्म।
pledge. They will give it. So this possession will be with the bank.
ओके।
Of the gold jewel will be with the bank. After the loan is adjusted, the gold jewel will be returned to the customer.
हम्म।
This is pledge.
हम्म।
Another way of giving movable property as security is known as hypothecation. See, in the case of hypothecation of vehicle, cars,
हम्म।
scooters, buses, and all, what happened? The name of the bank will be entered as hypothecatee in the RC book of the vehicle. Registration certificate book of the vehicle, name of the bank will be entered. But the possession will continue to be in the hands of the customer. He will use it, he will drive the vehicle, he will collect monies, from that he will repay. That is how auto rickshaw drivers, then share taxi drivers and all, they run the vehicle, pay the money to the bank. This is known as hypothecation. In the case of immovable property का मतलब land or land and building that is
हम्म।
offered as security by way of mortgage,
मॉर्टगेज। यस सर।
in which case the title deeds relating to the property will be handed over to the bank as security. समझ गया?
जी सर।
Very good. You studied MBA?
तो एम कॉम।
MCOM. अच्छा, ठीक है. What is the full form of EOQ related to banking? Choice: evaluation on quantity, even on quality, economic order quantity, economic on quality, none of the above. What is the answer for this one? EOQ. Evaluation on. Acha, who is going to answer? Next, let me tell you who is there online. After Sabarish, after that girl, Shruti, I think let it be Jitu. Jitu, can you answer this? Jitu, what is the full form of EOQ related to banking? Evaluation on quantity, even on quality, economic order quantity, economic on quality, none of the above. What is the answer for this?
Economic order quantity, sir.
Correct. Economic order on quantity. EOQ. Yesterday I posted a video. If you have watched that, you can answer these questions easily. If you have watched that, you can answer them easily. Yeah. Next question will go to which person? Let me ask you. Swandana. Swandana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Swandana, I am asking you a question. Which of the following organization is known as the market regulator in India? IBA, SEBI, AMFI, NSDL, none of the above.
SEBI.
Correct. Good. Very good. Good answering.
Yes, sir.
Now, we will go to Arya Pillai. Arya Pillai, please answer this easy question. The holidays for the banks are declared as per A. RBI Act, B. Banking Regulation Act, C. Negotiable Instruments Act, D. Securities and Exchange Board of India Act, E. Companies Act. Hello.
The Negotiable Instrument Act.
Very good. Good. You are commerce student?
No, sir.
Acha, good. Simona? Simona, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Simona, which
Yes,
of
sir.
the following is not a function of RBI? Which of the following is not... One minute. I am showing you something else. Yeah. Correct. I think you are seeing it. Which of the following is not a function of RBI? A. Maintaining forex. B. Deciding bank rate CRR SLR from time to time. Opening savings account for general public. D. Prescribing the capital adequacy ratio. E. Currency management.
Option C. Option C, sir.
Correct. Good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Correct. Next is after Sabrish, Simona, Swandana. Did you answer? No.
Yes, sir.
You answered. Very good. Then we will go to Veena Nair. Veena ji,
Yes, sir.
please answer this. Number 4.
Sir, I can't see the screen, sir.
Acha? Screen is not shown. Others, are you able to see?
Like, I can't see that question. I can see only something else.
Question
The
number 4.
screen is shared, but the question is not there.
Question is not
We are
seen.
seeing statement number 1 other than something.
Now I think you must be able to see, na?
Yes, sir. Now I
Number
can.
4 question.
Sir.
Bolo ji.
Sir, option C.
Correct. Good. Next
Thank you.
person to answer will be Sabrish. Sabrish, please answer number 5.
Sir, for this answer, service sector, sir.
Correct. Good. Very good. Then what is this? Shruti, what is the answer for number 1? Hello? Shruti, are you there online? Shruti ka internet is gone na kya? Internet is gone. I think she is not here. Aruna, can you answer this? Question number 1. Aruna, are you able to hear me? Aruna, are you able to hear me? Anybody, candidates, are you able to hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Then
Audible.
Aruna, if you don't know the answer, tell me I don't know. Why are you keeping quiet? Aruna? So Aruna's Arya Pillai, can you answer this?
Sir,
Sorry, sir. I was.
yeah. Okay.
Sir, you are calling me?
No, I was talking to Shruti, Aruna. Nobody was answering it. I
Sir,
don't.
someone was there at my doors, so that's why.
आप लोग candidates, whenever you are attending the class, if you attend to other phone calls also, neither you can do this nor that one. Why should I waste my time sitting here like this? Huh?
Sir, I'm not attending any call. Someone has knocked my door. That's why I have to go there.
Oh, acha. Now, Shruti, you answer this question. Number 1. Are you there online?
Yes, sir. I'm reading the question.
If you don't know the answer, tell I don't
Sir,
know.
answer will be D.
Correct. Good. Correct. Next one, Aruna. Are you there? Aruna is not there. Then,
Sir.
Aruna, you are there?
Sir.
Why you are not answering for last 2-3 minutes?
Sir, my internet. I don't hear anything, sir.
Acha, internet was cut. Doesn't matter. Now read question number 2. Please read the question loudly.
Which of the following is not a banking or finance related term? Credit, wrap, EMI, held to maturity, diffusion. Sir, it is diffusion, sir.
Very good. Very good. Arya Pillai, are you there? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for number 3?
External debt. Sir, NRI deposits.
You want to say NRI deposit as the answer?
I'm guessing it.
Guessing it. I'm not. The answer is given as commercial borrowings.
Commercial borrowing.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Next is Sabrish. You have answered, na? Now we will go to Simona. Simona, please tell me what is the answer for this? Simona, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please
Prime
read.
lending rate. Which of the following rates is not decided by RBI? Prime lending rate?
No, the answer is given as a repo rate. Repo rate is decided by Monetary Policy Committee.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Monetary Policy Committee. That was okay. Yeah.
That is also of RBI's right, sir.
True.
Monetary policy.
RBI's Monetary Policy Committee. RBI cannot decide it by itself.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It's a very tricky question. It's a tricky question. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank
Tell
you,
me,
sir.
somebody wants to ask something?
Sir, marginal standing facility rate. What is this?
Marginal standing facility rate is 6.75% nowadays. This is being availed by banks by giving security from RBI for emergency purposes overnight. Since today we have received a lot of checks drawn on us, we are not able to provide funds. instead of going to call money market, banks come to RBI and take loan. It is normally for 1 day, 1 night only. And when it is given on Friday, it is normally kept valid for 3 days.
Okay.
So, and present rate is 6.75%. This is similar to bank rate being 6.75%. But right now, repo rate is 6.5%. Standing deposit facility is now at 6.25%. What is standing deposit facility? Say the banks, when they have surplus funds, they can go and keep it with the Reserve Bank of India, not supported by government securities. Here, RBI will be paying 6.25% interest. This is similar to a reverse repo rate, where banks which have got surplus funds can go and keep their funds with the RBI at 3.35%, but that is supported by government securities. Now, next question, please. Who is going to answer this question? I will. Sri Hari.
Yes, sir. Which of the following bank is generally not considered as a commercial bank? Sir, it is development bank, sir.
Correct. Good. Very good. You told correctly. I am very happy. Yeah. Now we will go to now let me go for some other thing. Like I will go into this. Are you seeing these questions on the screen now? Excuse me.
No, sir, your previous screen is only shown.
Acha. Take it. That is the problem, I'm not able to understand. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We are seeing the correct.
Please take the questions. Put question numbers in your notebook, 91 to 115. Please answer them. Put in your notebook question number 91 to 115. Sorry, 91 to 25 questions. 115. Please answer them. I would suggest Shruti to read questions from 91 to 95. Wait for half a minute, then go for the next question, so that everybody will be answering it. If you know, you answer them. If you don't know, leave it. For every correct answer, you will get 1 mark. For every wrong answer, you will lose 0.25 mark. Shruti, please read.
Sir. Yes, sir. 91 question. RBI introduced CBDC from which date? Sir, I'm not aware of this.
No, you just read the choices so that others.
Okay. 1st January 2023, 1st December 2022, 15th December 2022, 1st November 2022,
Okay.
and 5th is none of this.
Yeah, please, if you know, you mark, otherwise leave it blank.
In June 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 2 schemes, Amrit Dharohar Yojana and Mishti Yojana, under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOEFCC, to revise wetland and mangroves across India. What does T stand in Mishti Yojana?
Yeah, actually, here it is slightly confusing. Let me make it clear. 1 minute. Please read number 1.
Number 1 is terrestrial, is tangible, third is tourism, fourth is tidal, fifth is territory.
Tertiary.
Tertiary.
93.
93. Name of company that has recently, in June 2023, collaborated with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MEITY, to enhance MEITY's G20 Stay Safe Online, a campaign for cyber security. Answer number 1 is Wipro. Option 1 is Wipro. 2, Microsoft Corporation, Tata Consulting Services, Google, and Infosys.
Please read the choice number also.
Choice number 3 is Tata Consulting Services. 4 is Google. Choice number 5 is Infosys.
Very good. Go to 94.
In which state the Bihu festival celebrated by Tangsa, a tribal community, in June 2023? Option number 1 is Tripura. 2 is Manipur. Third is Arunachal Pradesh. Fourth is Assam. Fifth is Meghalaya.
95.
Indian Railway has recently, in June 23, announced a plan to reduce India's first hydrogen train, expected to start operating from Dash district by March 2024. First option is Jind, Haryana. Second is Amravati, Maharashtra. Third is Jamnagar, Gujarat. Fourth is Balangir, Odisha. Fifth is Burdwan, West Bengal.
Yeah, very good. Battery is running low. Are you able to see your battery is running low? Huh?
No, sir.
No.
My battery is not running low.
No. For my laptop's battery. Okay. 95 you have answered. Now we will go to Sabarish. Sabarish, you can do it from 96 to 100. Sabarish, read.
Yes, which team has won a Squash World Cup 2023 title? Option 1, Egypt. Option 2, India. Option 3, Indonesia. Option 4, Pakistan. Option 5, none of this.
96.
And 97.
97.
The host country for the global event of World Blood Donor Day 2023 is first one, Bangladesh. Second one, Algeria. Third one, Ethiopia. Fourth option, USA. Fifth option, none of this.
97. 98.
98. Polavaram irrigation project seen in the news recently in which is on which river? 1, Kaveri. 2, Narmada. 3, Ganga. 4, Godavari. 5, none of this.
That was question number 98. 99.
99. Which country tops in the World Happiness Report 2023? 1, Finland. 2, Ireland. 3, Norway. 4, India. 5, none of this.
That was 99. If you don't know the answer, leave it blank. Then 100.
UNESCO headquarters is situated in which city? Paris. Option 2, New York. Option 3, London. Option 4, Ottawa. Option 5, none of this.
Okay. Now, next person who has to read Arya Pillai. Arya Pillai. Please read from 101 to 105.
Okay, so Dash is known as Bank for Central Banks. Option 1, BIS. Option 2, World Bank. Option 3, IMF. Option 4, ADB. And 5, none of these.
Okay, 102.
What is financial inclusion? A, to provide a permanent employment to the unemployment. Option B, to provide a 100 days job to all those who are in need of a job. C. Delivery of financial services at affordable cost to vast sections of disadvantaged and low income groups. D. To ensure that all financial transactions amounting to rupees 5,000 and above are done through banks. E. None of the given options is true.
You can read again this. What is financial inclusion? Read again choices.
To provide a permanent employment to the unemployment.
B.
To provide a 100 days job to all those who are in need of a job.
Okay.
Delivery of financial services at affordable cost to vast sections of disadvantaged and low income groups.
Okay.
To ensure that all financial transactions amounting rupees 5,000 and above are done through banks.
Okay.
E. None of the above.
Very good. Question number 104.
104. Bank, sir, 103.
No. It's not clear for you. 104.
No, 103, I didn't read, sir.
Acha, sorry. I didn't notice it. 103. Please read.
Okay. Who among the following is one of the regulators of finance of the country? SEBI, CRISIL, OIC, Trans.
None of this. Yeah, good. Sorry, I got confused. Very good.
Okay, sir.
103. Who among the following is one of the regulators of finance companies? Okay. 104.
104. Bank loans granted to exporters, popularly known as pre-shipment credit, are guaranteed by which organization?
Please read.
A. Exim Bank, B. ECGC, C. DICGC, D. World Bank, and E. None of these.
Very good. 105.
Question 105. What is the present repo rate that is of 20 July 2023? A. 6%, B. 6.50%, C. 5.75%, D. 6.75%, E. None of these.
Very good. Now, next, who will read? Swandana. Can you read Swandana? 106 to 110. 106 to 110. Yeah.
National Sample Survey Organization, that is NSSO, is an organization under the A. Ministry of Finance, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, E. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation.
$107.
Yeah. Dash is an electronic fund transfer system that operates on a deferred net settlement DNS based with settled transactions in batches. A. NEFT, B. RTGS, C. NPCI, D. BBPS, C. IMPS. Sir, NEFT is the answer?
No, don't tell me the answer because you mark the answer. I hope you are writing answers in your notebook.
Okay.
Are you writing or not?
Yes, sir.
108.
Which of the following is an independent commodity exchange based in Mumbai? A. MGEX, B. MCE, C. MDEX, D. MCX, and E is MEX.
Okay.
Under which plan did the government introduce an
Continue.
agricultural strategy which gave rise to Green Revolution? Option number A, first 5-year plan. Option number B, second 5-year plan. Option C, third 5-year plan, and D, fourth 5-year plan, and E, none of these.
110.
Which of the following is not true about Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI? Option A, UPI is an instant payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India. Option B, Through UPI, all payments are instant and takes place in banking hours. Option C, under UPI, persons will have a single identity and password for using multiple bank accounts. Option D, UPI is based on implemented payment services infrastructure.
Please read properly.
Sorry, sir. UPI is based on immediate payment service, that is IMPS, that is infrastructure. Option E, all of the above are correct.
Very good. So this is, what is the question? Which of the following is not true about unified payment interface? Next, after that, who has to read? Simona. Simona ji, 111
Yes,
to
sir.
115. Which
Yes,
of the...
sir.
1 minute. Why it is not one?
Sir, can you please show the answer, question number 110? Because
Yeah.
I have,
Please
it
see.
is UPI is an instant. Which of the
What?
following is not true about, sorry.
No, 1 minute. Not true. It is not coming properly. Let me see now whether it is coming correctly. It is not getting down properly. I have to go down like this. Internet, sometimes, things don't appear properly. I don't know. That is why I am suggesting all of you to download whenever something is appearing correctly. आप लोग download करके रखना है. Yeah. Now 110 is this. What is your name? You are asking. You please read this, Shruti, yourself. Which of the following, are you seeing it? Shruti, are you able to see it? Shruti, are you able to see it? Shruti? Achha, anybody else?
I'm audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I was not audible for you. That's why. Sabrish, you read this. Question number 110 for her. Sabrish.
Which of the following is not true about unified payment interface, UPI? Option A, UPI is an instant payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. Option B, through UPI, all payments are instant and takes place in banking hours. Option C, under UPI, person will have a single identity and password for using multiple bank accounts. Option D, UPI is based on immediate payment service infrastructure. Option E, all of the above are correct.
Very good. Now, next, who will read? Sri Hari. Can you read now? On one fund, 111 to 115. Sri Hari.
Okay, sir. Which of the following is not true about payments bank? Payment bank can issue ATM debit card but not credit cards. Initial capital required for a payment bank is 100 crore. Payment bank must maintain cash reservation as decided by RBI. Bank can give a loan of up to rupees 1 lakh. Only 1 lakh. Payment bank can enable transfers and remittance through a mobile phone.
Question number 111. 112.
Yeah. 112. Which of the following is not true about small finance bank? Maximum loan size to a single person cannot exceed 10% of total capital funds, cannot exceed 15% in case of a group. B. At least 50% of its loan should constitute loans and advances of up to 25 lakh. C. Minimum paid up equity capital requirement of small finance bank is 100 crore.
Now it has been raised to 200 crore. I think it has not been altered. Acha, continue. I think there must be some other answer.
Small finance bank must have 25% of its branch set up in unbanked areas. E. They, they can set up subsidiaries to undertake non-banking financial service activities.
Very good. 113.
Which of the following state has the maximum area under pineapple? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Nagaland, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. 114.
Yeah. Mudra stands for Micro Unit Division and Refinance Agency, Micro Unit Development and Restructuring Agency, Micro Unit Division and Restructuring Agency, Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency. None of the above.
Very good. 115.
Who is a marginal farmer? Farmer owning up to 4 hectares of land, up to 1 hectare of land, up to 2 hectare of land, up to 2.5 hectare of land, and last up to 3.5 hectare of land.
Mark kar diya? So good. All of you have marked the answers. Now let us check the answers. 91 to 115. Please check the answers yourself. You can see on the screen. Please check the answers. For each correct answer, give 1 mark. For each wrong answer, give 0.25 mark less. Reduce 0.25 mark. Please mark the answers. 91 is 2, 92 2, 93 4, 94 3, 95 1, 96 1, 97 2, 98 4, 99 1, 100 3. 101 1, 102 C, 103 A, 104 B, 105 B, 106 E, 107 A, 108 D, 109 C, 110 B for Bombay, 111 D, 112 E, 113.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Can you go to, sir, 104? Just a minute.
Just push it down. Could you answer? Could you see it up to 110?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
111 D, 112 E, 113 4, 114 4, 115 2. Each correct answer 1 mark. Each wrong answer 0.25 mark reduction. Please apply like that. And then those who have scored, how many have scored 15 questions? I want you to score at least 7.5 and above. How many of us have scored 7.5 and above? Please raise your hand. Those who have scored 7.5 and above, please raise your hand. One is Simona. Number 2 is Veena. Yeah, 2 people have scored above 3. Aruna has not scored. Aruna has scored. Veena Nair has scored. Oh, somebody else's name has gone. Doesn't matter. Only these 2 people have scored. Another one, Simona has scored. Huh? What, Simona? You are raising hand, putting down hand. What happened? Huh? Simona.
I thought after you read the name, I should lower my hand.
No, not required. Please raise your hand. All those who have
sir.
raised 7.5. I'm very happy. How many marks did you score, Simona?
Sir, 17.
No, totally 15 questions only, na?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry. 25 questions, na? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. 17.17.
25 questions means doesn't matter. But I don't know. I thinking it is only 15 questions. I told 7.5. Doesn't matter. Now, Veena, how many marks did you score? Veena, how many marks did you score?
Sir, 18.
18, good.
Sir, 18.
Very nice. Aruna?
Sir, 21.25.
Excellent. See, there is a mistake on my part. I gave you 25 questions. I thought it is only 15, so I told 7.5. I should have given you 12.5 as the mark. Anybody scored over 12.5, please raise your hand. Those who have raised hand, keep it as it is. So that means the performance of the group, I told only 7.5 wrongly. Even you have scored less than that means very, very low. What happened? Shruti, क्या हुआ? आप इतना कम मार्क क्यों स्कोर किया?
Sir, I scored only 10.5.
अच्छा 10.5. Yeah.
Sir, sir, I scored in some places I written जैसे names of that company, Microsoft, Jind Haryana. I didn't put the options, so that's why I'm confused also.
The
In
answer
1,
is
2, 3, 4,
Google.
5 questions.
Google is the answer for that.
Okay. And sir, in the case of 96, 95, Haryana, I've opted Haryana.
Jind
Jind
Haryana.
Haryana.
Correct.
Hmm.
Correct.
Okay. Then in Finland, 99, I written Finland only.
Correct.
Okay. Then in this question, I have written UPI. UPI वाला मैंने C लिखा है.
अरे आप क्या पागल है? जब मार्क करते हैं खाली क्वेश्चन आंसर चॉइस को तो लिखना है ना. बोलो क्या जी?
Sir, I named the. Sorry, sir, but I get it
Just
wrongly.
making fun of you.
Hmm.
Don't worry. You have scored 10 or 12 means it is fine. 10 or 12 means it is fine. Veena Nair also raised hand. Very good. Veena Nair, how many marks did you score? Veena
Sir,
Nair?
18.
18. So nice. Very, very happy. God bless you. And
Thank you.
tomorrow, would you like to have class from tomorrow or not? What is your idea? I have not done marketing and other things. If you come, I will give you marketing and these questions like this. This way it is good. I will give the questions and then give the answers also. So we will do like this tomorrow also if you are interested. Will you come, Shruti?
Yes, sir, I will come.
Acha, right. Then Sabarish, will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come.
Sabarish, yeah. So we will have a class tomorrow at 7 o'clock. The topic is marketing and sales aptitude. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best
Thank you.
wishes. But this,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, this was nothing but the questions were already given to you in the material as model paper. From there only I gave you all these questions. Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes. Bye.